2nd, and I am up, lighting my candle, getting a vibe, y'all. How y'all doing? I am Michelle. We gotta get some stuff done. Used to it no more, but raspberry Danish. Y'all, so I got everything, well, most of the stuff I'm using, my cushions, my covers, some new pillows, the door wreath, my table for the barbecue, my privacy, and my rug. Alright, y'all, so I got it sitting up like I wanted. I put my chairs here, my rugs. Also, my table and my pots. So I'm about to wipe these tables and chairs, these chairs and this table down, the footstool. Let's hope you guys don't fall. Alright, y'all, I am done for the day. I did down here, I put my fence out, my lights, I cleaned up the leaves and sticks. I need to plant some more grass seeds, but my bush is growing. I put my barrier up, the covers on the grill. I blew the porch and all of this before it broke. On this stand, put my summer wreath up. Hey, y'all, hey, I am done out here. So I'm just out here enjoying myself, eating some toast and drinking some tea. Drinking me a cup of tea. Y'all, I am back. I have started meal prepping. My chicken, my sweet potatoes. I got corn over here, and this got rice and corn on top. I'm gonna put some ground beef. Chicken on these, and then these are gonna be mashed potatoes with ground beef. And yeah, I got peppers, and I got the stuff to make some sauce. So yeah, got my tea. I've been drinking this tea all day. Now I'm drinking some green tea. I was drinking, what's this other tea? Cayenne. And then I'm gonna make a little sauce. And then we're just gonna cook the ground beef with the onion. Morning, y'all. It is Sunday morning, 9:45 in the morning. And I am up, about to make me an omelet and avocado toast, but I forgot to put my little welcome bike outside when I did my yard yesterday, the front yard. And yeah, I just wanted to put this out. So I'm going to finish cutting this onion and pepper up. And then I'll be back when I am about to do my spinach. Just chop it up a little. Chop some of these stems. I am ready to start my omelet. avocado toast. And I have another one for lunch, which I'm about to share with my baby. And yeah, I got my omelet, my avocado bread, and some lemon water. That's what I'm having. Do my relaxing. Talk to y'all later.
Stuff like that.
Alright, y'all. So, I got the clippers. I'm about to trim the back. Got the guard on, the number 5. Is that the smallest one? Yep. 5, that's the only one I got. I don't know where the other ones are. Something for my baby girl. Yes, I love it. Going to the grocery store this weekend, this Friday. Paying a few bills, but I'm definitely going to Costco and get a few things to put on the grill. What y'all doing on Mother's Day? I gotta work that night, but that's why I'm trying to do my little thing today. I can handle it. I can handle anything. Cooking burgers, hot dogs, and some pork steak. Nothing big. Real quick. I got my cheese chopped up. I got my milk out. The grill is cooking, y'all.
Come here, man.
Yes, y'all can see the milk is. Making a little one here. And then I'm going to grate some sharp cheddar for the top. Closer. Ooh, you better quit playing. You better quit playing. It's cooking really good, y'all. I'm gonna check my burgers and see if they ready to be turned over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright y'all, everything is cooking good. Them pork steaks. Just put the hot dogs on there. And the burgers are cooking excellent. So yeah, we are almost there. We are almost there. Ooh, they season good too. I'm making some barbecue sauce so they can get nice and sticky. We're gonna move this one up. Alright y'all, the burgers and the meat is done. I'm about to take everything off and go make a plate. Alright everybody, this is my Mother's Day dinner. Let's move this out the way so y'all can see these burgers. Quit playing with me. That mac and cheese, them beans with the kielbasa, mashed potatoes, and a beautiful salad. And this is my plate, y'all. This is my plate. It looks so good. I'm about to tear it up with my tea. Alright, let's open this. This is for work. A new nursing book, y'all. Just put the information down, patient name, all that good stuff so I can keep my own info on them. And how many pages is there here? How many pages? I don't know, but it's a lot. So yeah, got that. Then I got me some new batteries. Yes. Come with a charger. Oh, I thought it would be two chargers. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thanks again.